Hi guys! Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. This is me, Julian Olanday. So if you are just new, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe and hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa lahat ng vlogs ko and vlogs with my cousins. So today is ako muna yung magva-vlog without my three cousins. Yeah. And you know who's my three cousins? Akio, Owen, and Sia. So today I'm not going to play but I'm going to draw in my drawing app. So today I'm going to draw a water drop. Yeah, like that. So let's start. So first, I'm putting the first detail and then another detail and last detail. Okay, now we need to cover it all in this light purple. Light blue. Yeah. I hope guys I can get a 100 subscribers this year in my YouTube account. And now after I cover up a light blue color, and what I did, I'm going to put something detailed that it look like a realistic. Don't mind my two cousins because they're playing. Yeah. And they are a little bit loud, but no. So, going to add some details. Oh. Oh my god. I put the wrong color. Okay, that one. Okay, perfect. I just add it now and going to make it something like this. And it look like a dots. Just going to put a period dots. And yeah. It's not look like realism. I don't know. I'm not a good paint. I'm not a good drawing and a painting. So that's. Oh, let me just small. Yeah, I just put the wrong way. Yeah, perfect. Now let's make it so much. Oh my god, good. And now we're done. So I'm just going to put. Oh, I put the wrong. Okay. I'm just going to put the shadow and going to put this saying oh wait, I forgot. That's not good. Water drop. Done! And this is the final look. This is the final result. Hope you guys enjoy. Thank you for watching. Once again, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell para update kayo sa ng vlogs ko and vlogs with my cousins. Bye guys! Love ya!